Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we uncover the coolest, smartest, and most useful car gadgets you didn't even know existed. Today, we're checking out 10 hidden car gadgets on Amazon that'll completely change the way you drive, organize, and protect your vehicle. From next-level dashcams and smart wireless adapters to clever organizers and life-saving jump starters, these gadgets are total game changers. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive right into these hidden automotive treasures. 1. Vantrue E1 Lite Dash Cam. First up, meet the Vantrue E1 Lite Dash Cam, a compact yet powerful gadget that keeps your journeys safe and secure. It records in full HD 1080p, giving you crystal clear footage both day and night. Thanks to its Sony Starvis sensor, the built-in Wi-Fi and app control let you instantly review or download videos straight to your phone. Plus, its voice control feature makes hands-free operation effortless. Just say a command and it responds. With parking mode, loop recording, and G-sensor protection, it's like having a silent witness always watching your back. Check the link in the description to learn more or grab yours now. 2. Foxiod Retractable Car Sunshade. Tired of burning hot seats and steering wheels? The Foxiod Retractable Car Sunshade is your new best friend. This clever gadget features a telescopic design that smoothly extends across your windshield in seconds. No more struggling with those messy fold-up shades. It blocks over 99% of harmful UV rays, keeping your car interior cooler and protecting your dashboard from cracking. Its durable aluminum film reflects heat effectively, while the retractable design makes storage super easy. It's the perfect mix of convenience and protection, ideal for summer days. Check the link in the description to grab yours and keep your car cool. 3. Givifive Seat Gap Filler. If you've ever dropped your phone or keys between your seat and console, you know that frustration. The Givifive Seat Gap Filler solves that once and for all. This smart organizer slides right between your car seat and center console to catch items before they disappear into the abyss. It's made of premium PU leather for a sleek factory-fit look, and even provides extra storage for your phone, wallet, or change. No more distractions while driving or wasting time digging under the seat. Check the link below to organize your ride and never lose a thing again. 4. Moko Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Transform your wired Apple CarPlay into a wireless experience with the Moko Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This tiny yet powerful device plugs into your existing CarPlay USB port, instantly converting it to wireless mode. No more tangled cables. Just connect automatically every time you start your car. It offers lag-free performance, fast auto connection, and OTA updates, ensuring your setup stays modern and smooth. Compatible with most factory-installed CarPlay systems, it's the upgrade your infotainment system deserves. Check the link in the description and make your CarPlay truly wireless today. 5. Nexpow Battery Jumper Starter. Ever been stranded with a dead battery? The Nexpow Battery Jumper Starter can save your day and possibly your trip. This compact powerhouse delivers 2,000 amps of peak current, enough to jumpstart even 7.0-liter gas or 6.5-liter diesel engines in seconds. It also doubles as a power bank, with USB ports to charge your phone, laptop, or tablet on the go. The built-in LED flashlight with SOS mode adds safety for emergencies. Compact, portable, and easy to use, it's a must-have for every glove box. Check the link below to stay prepared and power up anytime. 6. Integral Ultimate Cup Holder. Next up, the Integral Ultimate Cup Holder. Because one drink slot is never enough, this clever gadget expands your single cup holder into a multifunctional storage system. It rotates, adjusts, and fits bottles, mugs, snacks, or even your phone securely in place. The adjustable base keeps it stable, while the non-slip design ensures your drinks stay put, even on bumpy roads. It's perfect for road trips, daily commutes, or families that need a little extra space on the go. Check the link in the description to grab this clever car organizer today. 7. Vantrue N5S 360 dash cam. If you thought the first dash cam was impressive, wait till you see this one. The Vantrue N5S 360 dash cam gives you complete 360-degree coverage, recording from 5 different channels: front, rear, interior, and both sides. It's powered by dual Sony Starvis sensors, capturing crystal-clear 4K footage even in low light. It also supports voice commands, GPS tracking, and Wi-Fi app control, making it one of the most advanced dash cams available. Whether you're a rideshare driver or just want ultimate protection, this is the all-seeing eye your car deserves. Check the link below to explore the Vantrue N5S today. 8. Tymate TM2RV Tire Pressure Monitor. Up next, a safety essential, the Tymate TM2RV Tire Pressure Monitoring System. This smart gadget continuously tracks your tire pressure and temperature, giving real-time alerts if something's off. Perfect for RVs, trailers, and trucks. It features a solar-powered display and wireless sensors for easy installation. With multiple alarm modes for low pressure, high temperature, and leaks, it helps prevent blowouts and extends tire life. Peace of mind on long road trips has never been easier. Check the link in the description to monitor your tires like a pro. 9. Morrols Car Seat Protector. If you've got kids, pets, or just want to keep your car interior spotless, the Morrols Car Seat Protector is a lifesaver. It shields your seats from dirt, spills, scratches, and those annoying child seat indentations. Made from heavy-duty, waterproof material, it's built to last while maintaining a clean, professional look. The anti-slip design keeps it firmly in place, and built-in pockets add extra storage for toys, wipes, or snacks. Simple to install and easy to clean, it's the perfect balance of protection and practicality. Check the link in the description to keep your seats looking brand new. 10. Ancel AD310 OBD2 Scanner. Finally, let's talk diagnostics. The Ancel AD310 OBD2 Scanner. This small yet mighty gadget plugs right into your car's OBD port to instantly read and clear check engine codes. It helps you diagnose issues before heading to the mechanic, saving you time and money. The bright LCD screen displays live data clearly, and it's compatible with most 1996 plus vehicles. Even beginners can use it easily. Just plug, scan, and you're good to go. Check the link below to get your hands on this essential car diagnostic tool today. And that's a wrap on our list of 10 hidden car gadgets on Amazon. From dash cams to smart adapters and clever organizers, these gadgets prove that it doesn't take a fortune to make your car smarter, safer, and more enjoyable to drive. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest car gadget finds. Thanks for watching. All the product links are in the description, so check them out and grab your favorites today.